Beyond the formula. How NYC's high cost of living impacts child support and alimony. New York City's high cost of rent, childcare, groceries, transit and healthcare directly influences what courts consider fair for child support and alimony. Judges look at the child's needs and each parent's resources, but the city's steep prices amplify those needs. Clear budgets, childcare invoices and housing costs often prove decisive. Child support and maintenance. Child support covers a child's basic expenses, and courts may add health insurance, unreimbursed medical bills and reasonable childcare related to work or education. Support usually continues until the child turns 21 unless emancipated. Maintenance is different. It helps balance the financial impact of divorce so the lower-earning spouse can pay bills and move towards self-sufficiency. The Child Support Standards Act applies set percentages of combined parental income up to a cap and allows judges to deviate when the guideline result would be unjust. Cost of living and real needs. Housing is expensive, and while rent or a mortgage is not deducted before applying the formula, courts want children to remain in safe, stable homes. Childcare is a mandatory add-on. In the city, daycare and after-school programs can rival rent. Parents also share health insurance premiums and unreimbursed medical costs. Education expenses such as private school or tutoring may be added when necessary and proportionate. Judges weigh the standard of living during the marriage and aim to keep children stable. Because neighborhood-level housing costs and school-related expenses are high, a guideline amount that seems adequate on paper can fall short once fixed costs are added. Courts expect documentation of rent, utilities, childcare invoices, commuting costs and health and education expenses. Modifying and adjusting support orders must evolve with changing circumstances. Substantial changes or rising living costs can justify a modification. Orders enforced through the Support Collection Unit are reviewed every 2 years for a cost of living adjustment. When an order no longer fits because expenses or income have shifted, petition the court and show your updated finances. Relocation and involuntary job loss can affect support if they materially change housing, commuting costs or income. Filing promptly matters because support cannot be reduced retroactively. Provide pay stubs, tax returns, rent increases, childcare invoices and medical bills, and organize several months of documents with a clear timeline. Negotiation and resolution. Many parents resolve support by agreement. Couples can decide who pays which expenses and when adjustments occur. Honest negotiation requires full financial disclosure, including sworn net worth statements and supporting records. Missing documents or a lifestyle that exceeds reported income may lead a judge to impute income. Mediation offers privacy and flexibility. A neutral mediator helps you use the guidelines as a reference and craft creative solutions. Mediation is often faster and less expensive than litigation. Agreements still need judicial approval, and deviations must serve the child's best interests. Litigation may be necessary when there is a significant income gap, suspected hidden assets or high conflict. Courts can compel disclosure and set temporary support. Documenting your lifestyle with detailed budgets, bank statements and invoices helps your lawyer present a clear picture. For a regular income, include business records and match receipts to your budget. Guidance and support. In an expensive city like New York, standard formulas can fall short of reality. Whether you seek support, defend against a demand or need to modify an order, the details of your budget matter. Consulting a lawyer early ensures you gather the right documents and choose the right strategy. A skilled family law attorney can translate day-to-day expenses into persuasive legal arguments. The law office of Ryan Besinque is committed to building accurate financial pictures so support orders are fair and protective of your child's stability. Contact this law firm at 929-251-4477. The office is at 115 West 25th Street, 4th floor, New York, New York, 10001, United States.